Welcome to Alvian House, where we bring smart, stylish, and affordable home ideas straight to your screen. If you're looking to save money without sacrificing comfort or creativity, you're in the right place. Let's start with one of the easiest ways to cut costs at home: DIY cleaning products. Instead of buying expensive name-brand sprays, you can make a powerful all-purpose cleaner using just vinegar, water, and a few drops of essential oil. Not only is this mix effective on most surfaces, but it's also non-toxic and environmentally friendly. Baking soda can replace most abrasive cleaners, especially in the bathroom and kitchen. Try mixing it with lemon juice to scrub stubborn stains on sinks and countertops. These ingredients are cheap, last a long time, and can save you hundreds per year. Plus, they reduce plastic waste from packaging, making it a win for your wallet and the planet. Next, let's talk about energy. You don't need to invest in expensive solar panels to start saving on electricity. Installing simple weather stripping around your windows and doors can dramatically cut down on heating and cooling costs. Another easy fix is switching all your bulbs to LED. Yes, the upfront cost is a bit more, but they use up to 80% less energy and last years longer. You can also make your own draft stoppers using old socks filled with rice. Just place them at the base of your doors to keep the heat in during winter. And don't forget about smart power strips, which prevent electronics from drawing energy even when they're off. Small changes like these can make a noticeable difference in your monthly bills. Storage solutions don't have to be expensive. In fact, with a little creativity, you can repurpose everyday items into beautiful organizers. For instance, old glass jars can become stylish pantry containers. Just add labels, and you've got a Pinterest-worthy shelf. Wooden crates or wine boxes can be stacked and mounted on the wall for open shelving in the kitchen or bathroom. Even cereal boxes can be cut and covered with decorative paper to create drawer organizers. These projects not only save money, but also help you reduce waste by giving new life to things you'd normally throw away. It's all about finding function in the forgotten. Taking good care of what you already have is another powerful way to save. A little maintenance can go a long way. For example, cleaning your fridge's coils every 6 months can help it run more efficiently and last longer. Sharpening your knives at home with a cheap whetstone extends their lifespan and improves cooking safety. Recaulking your shower or sink is a 15-minute DIY that prevents water damage and mold, saving you from expensive repairs down the road. And if your furniture has small scratches or dings, a bit of walnut rubbed into the wood can make them disappear. It's amazing how many little fixes can make your home look and feel brand new, without spending a dime. Saving money at home isn't just about cutting corners. It's about being intentional, resourceful, and creative with what you already have. These DIY hacks prove that you don't need a big budget to make a big impact. From homemade cleaners to energy-saving tricks and upcycled decor, your home can be both affordable and inspiring. Thanks so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And of course, subscribe to Alvian House for more smart home solutions and creative living ideas every week. See you in the next video.